Yes, feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order dated 7th July 2021 passed by the High Court of Judicature for Rajasthan at Jodhpur in DB Special Appeal Writ number 311 of 2021, by which the Division Bench of the High Court has dismissed the said appeal and has confirmed the judgment and order dated 28 January 2021 passed by the learned single judge, by which the learned single judge allowed the writ petition preferred by the respondent here in here in after referred to as the original writ petitioner and directed the appellant bank to allow the original writ petitioner to be represented by a retired employee of the bank in the departmental inquiry. The appellant bank has preferred the present appeal stop. The facts leading to the present appeal in nutshell are as under stop. That the respondent here in original writ petitioner was working as cashier-cum-clerk office assistant stop, while working as a branch manager is alleged to had committed certain irregularities amounting to misconduct stop. A show cause notice was issued by the bank dated 24 April 2019, whereby it was stated that while working at Rawatser branch, he had committed irregularities while granting loans to farmers/villagers under the loan scheme, and he did not take adequate precautions, and without written mandates of borrowers he transferred the loan amount in favor of another person and had thus committed misconduct stop. One another similar show cause notice was issued on dated 24 April 2019 stop. Departmental inquiry was initiated against him stop. A charge sheet dated 1 November 2019 was served upon the original writ petitioner by the bank in terms of Rajasthan Marudhara Gramin Bank officer and employees service regulation 2010 herein after referred to as the regulation 2010 stop. A written reply was submitted by the original writ petitioner to the charge sheet issued stop. He denied the charges levelled against him stop. Not satisfied with the reply, the bank initiated departmental inquiry stop. One Sri K.C. Gupta was appointed as an inquirer officer stop. An opportunity was afforded to the original writ petitioner to take assistance of a defense representative herein after referred to as Dr. in accordance with regulation 2010 as also in accordance with guidelines issued by the bank stop. However, the original writ petitioner informed the inquiry officer that he may be allowed to defend himself in the inquiry through a legal practitioner stop, keeping in view the restrictions under Regulation 44 of the Regulation 2010 on engagement of legal practitioner during the inquiry. Wide communication dated 17 March 2020, his request permitting him to defend himself through a legal practitioner came to be declined by the inquiry officer stop. A request was made to the disciplinary authority by the original writ petitioner permitting him to engage a legal practitioner as his Dr. stop. Having considered that no complicated legal question has been involved in the matter and the presenting officer appointed by the disciplinary authority is neither law officer nor a legal practitioner, and keeping in mind the regulation 44 of regulation 2010 on engagement of legal practitioner during the inquiry, the request to permit him to represent through practitioner stop stanza.